You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this German musician, drummer, and composer. If you want to learn more confusing names from music celebrities, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. In German, it's pronounced Anika Nilles. Let's hear her say it.
Hi, ich bin Anika Nilles, Schlagzeug.
Ich bin Anika Nilles is how she says, I'm Anika Nilles. Anika Nilles is how you can say it in English. Anika Nilles. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.